Hello everyone, we are live now and we will start our analysis with gold here. Okay, so this is our daily time frame chart. Okay, let's start with weekly because we have a weekly closing here. Okay. So this is our weekly chart and we can see this gold is still bullish and we have a 3 weekly breakout structures consecutively and no retracement at all here. See this? This all are breakout structure and price have not retraced after it. Okay. So now what happens after the breakout structure? Majorly price just gave a pullback and then it resumes the trend, but this time we don't have any significant pullback here. Now let's see how many candles it have in previous bull model, and we have here around 7 bars. 7 weeks it just started pumping and continue its pump. After that it delivers a pullback, and here we have approximately 7 weeks. So in chart gold have near about its ATH and it is going to pull back here. And where can be it next ATH is? I'm expecting price to create the same wave of this one, and it will be around 4083. So you can see this, it will be the same length of this one because it is the one, and we have the same candle at this one level. So this will be our bullish target in gold in upcoming week. After that, if we have any 4-hour confirmation, we will be watching for this kind of any retracement around. If I plot a fib here again, I want this retracement from 85. Now remove this bottom one, and the same area I'm getting over at 3700. So this can be the possible target if price reject from 4085 and give us a 4-hour change of character. Then we will be watching for the downside retracement towards 3706. So possible we will see this kind of reaction and move like this. And if price want to go more deep, it will create a deeper pullback around 1.618 area, which is 3471 here, and we have our previous ATH here too. So this will be a good zone for buying in case we have a massive pullback. But before that, we will follow our 4-hour structure, which is still bullish, and we will continue buying over here. We don't even know that from where and which zone it will reject, so we will keep buying until we have a 4-hour change of character, and after that change of character we will be in short direction. Now let's see 1-day time frame. So in 1-day time frame, price is making a 4-candle bullish pattern in which price do not close above the previous bullish candle, then give us a fake breakdown below this low, and the second candle again close back inside. So on the next candle price can retest and the target will be this high. So this is our 4-candle bullish pattern in continuous model. As we have seen this model many times, you can see this price do not break its high, creates a fake breakdown below this opening. Again second candle close back inside, and then there is massive momentum. See this? Same momentum here. Price create a fake breakdown here. Do not close above this high. Create fake breakdown. Second candle close back inside, retest, and this momentum. So this is a slightly bullish pattern. So we will be watching for buy if we get retest near about 3983. If we don't get retest near this area, we will be watching for buy in smaller time frame. According to 15 minute, it will be okay. So 1 day time frame is bullish, weekly is bullish, and if we see this is the FVG we should be beware of. This is the daily time frame FVG, which is just below our previous low. Okay, now let's see 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, we have a bullish structure. I'm just putting here a line which will remind us that this is our retest level in daily time frame. So according to 4-hour, we have already in buy position from this zone around 3955 to 3940 zone. This area was holding a buy opportunity because it is having this inducement, and the structural area 4-hour time frame, as it is having a breakout structure here. After that, this was the full single wave, and this is just the retracement. And now we are having another wave which can break its high, and my target will be this 4060, and maxly to our weekly target around 4080, 80 to 85. Okay, now let's see if we get any pullback for again buy opportunity. We are already in buy from here. We have scalp it from here in smaller time frame. Now it's time for 1-hour time frame. So after testing this area, price is continuously making higher highs and higher lows. Again the higher high and higher lows. Again we have the higher high. So if we get a new higher low, it will be a buy opportunity for the target of this 4060, because we have completed our 5-wave retracement pattern here, which is bullish now. Previous trend was bearish, and price have made 5-wave pattern in bullish direction after testing this 4-hour structural area. So we are watching for a buy opportunity on this structure here in 1-hour time frame. So let's remove it and we will watch it. So we have this breakout structure in 1-hour time frame. So according to this breakout structure, our first buying area is this one, around 4006 to 3995. And if price want to drop more here, and it will test this area, which is our daily time frame retest area 2. So if price tests this area, it will be still a buy opportunity here around 83 to 72. Below this low, this will be again a bearish momentum. But our scenario will play out only if we have a 2 candle closing below it. Not like this one. This was just a liquidity hunt. Again price closed back upside and we were in buy from here. The same thing will happen here. So wait for the proper retracement. This 2 area is important for a buy opportunity, and target will be this 4060. And second target will be 1.618 area of fib, which is near about 4130. And if you want to be safe then you can close your entries near about 4090 here, because it is near about our weekly time frame structural area and 1.27 area of this sweep. So price can drop massively from here too. So I will be watching for this zone here. If this area gets hit, I will be closing my 90% trade over here. And for the buying opportunity, I am watching these two zones. Now let's see more smaller time frame. 15 minute will be good. So as you can see this, in 15-minute time frame we have multiple breakout structures. So this is our breakout structure in 15-minute time frame. After that, price is moving upside after testing this structural area. See this? So 15-minute is still bullish, and according to 15-minute, price should hold this level. This level holds, price will break this high. So first buying opportunity at this level according to 15-minute, and then break, retest and move. This can happen. So according to 15-minute, price is bullish from here, and as you can see this, in 5-minute it will be a structural area. See this? After testing this area in 15-minute structural, price is making high, low, higher low, again the higher high, and it will be again the higher low, and then it will create this breakout structure. So this is how price gonna be moving on Monday. Maybe we can see a new ATH on Monday. After that, there will be a massive sweep, and then we will be watching for some retracement. Before that, there is no short sign. It is better to be in buy sides and watch for this area. Mostly I will be watching for this 4004 to 3992. This zone will be my buying area for the new ATH, around 4060 to 4090. So this is gold, guys, and I'm watching for buy after this test. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Now I'm watching your chats. If you have any question, you can ask me, guys. No comments right now. Seems like everyone understanding what I'm saying. And we don't have any news. Only the Powell speech, which will be on Tuesday. And everything is just pending over here. Nothing, no major news. BTC का बता दो. ओके भाई, रुको. So let's start with weekly time frame, and BTC is still bullish. This was the breakout structure, and this is a liquidity sweep. If weekly candle close above it, and you can be in buy position for this target. Next target can be around 1.41. Okay, this will be good. Now let's see daily. and daily this is also a sweep. Price can retest this area, wait for proper buying confirmation near about this, test this low and create something like this. If price breaks this low, don't watch for buy, but wait for first higher high and higher low formation in smaller time frame for buying entry here. In 4 hour, no strength. In 1 hour, price is just want to test the sweep area. This area will be tested one more time again. In 15 minute, if you want to see where price can retest, you can just put fib over here and it will be near about 60 to 70%, which is here. Price can retest this area. After that, if price hold this low, it can move like this. But wait for confirmation at this zone here, around 106 to 104K. I'll just join the live. Okay, brother, you can watch it on replay mode. Why are you not in live trade? Because I'm not having good internet enough right now. As you can see, it is fluctuating. So I can't trade live on YouTube and it is illegal. GBP and Euro. GBP we have already talked about that GBP is bearish and it will test its most waiting structural areas near this one. If a major fall happen, GBP will test this area around 1.21. And if price completely break this area, then we will be watching for this move. And if we have just a liquidity hunt, reclaim, retest, then we will be buying from here. Target will be this high. In that case, I will be watching for buy near this area. This two area will be important and I will be watching for buy from these two zones. And Euro, I am watching for this area here because it is having a daily time frame breakout structure and this is our structural area. So I am watching for buy in Euro at this level around 1.14607 and 1.13914. And if this area gets break, then price will fall massively to this structural area and support zone near this one here. Okay, so another questions. यूरो बता दो, आई एम इन शॉर्ट फ्रॉम 1.69. बताया तो सही भाई. अभी यहाँ इस जगह पे आने के बाद आप थोड़ी बुकिंग कर लीजिए, यहाँ से वापस बुलिश जा सकता है. 1.46, yes, good area. Book partial, hold with break even. If you see this in 4 hour, it is making lower lows and lower highs. See this? This is structure break. This is another breakout structure. Price is retesting here. From here it can again drop. Maximum if it goes for liquidity, it will test this area. here. If it got a liquidity hunting over here, then it will test this area and again drop. First target will be this low, and then second target will be this daily time frame structural area here around 1.146. But I will prefer buying from here. And in gold, we have already talked about that we are buying from this zone of 4004 to 3992. If you want detailed analysis, watch this live after it's saved on my channel. You will get a detailed analysis how gold is going to test this area and from where we are expecting some reversals. Any other questions from you guys? आप सिर्फ फीब और प्राइस एक्शन पे ट्रेड करते हो? डू यू यूज़ एनी अदर एडवांस टूल? आई यूज़ ट्रेड यूजिंग वीकली वॉल्यूम्स बट डिडंट गेट अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रेड्स. उसमें स्ट्रक्चर इनफ है यार. अभी कुछ ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट मत करो. जितना इजी रखोगे उतने ज़्यादा आपको ट्रेड मिलेंगे. गोल्ड में देख लो, हमने यहाँ से भी बाय किया, इसको यहाँ से भी बाय किया, यहाँ से भी इसको बाय किया. जितना इजी रखोगे उतने ज़्यादा ट्रेड मिलेंगे. इफ़ यू मेक इट मोर कॉम्प्लिकेट, you will get confused whether to trade or not. I am following your analysis regularly. Don't we have a chance to join your course for the people who don't have BTC or Tether account? Brother, I don't accept payments other than USDT and BTC because it is very much risky in India to take a bank payment. It will directly link towards the cybercrime. So I don't use bank accounts for payments. Because we are in a place where we don't have opportunity to open this account, CA, you advise an alternative procedure. No, brother, no, please don't. I have already done this kind of trades in previous and past, but I don't want to repeat it again. My one account is already froze, so I don't take any payments in bank now. Please use BTC or USDT. Okay, we have multiple areas in. Do you still journal all your trades? If you do, then what are the parameters you note in your journals? You can journal your trades by noting the time you enter in the trade, which session you enter in the trade, on which basis you took trade, which was the fundamental or which was the technical analysis you took before entering in the trade, how much lot you took, how much risk you took. It all you should journal in your trading journal. Euro can be bullish from here. It's not euro, sorry, it's Ethereum. It have already tested this structural area. Can anybody in the team advise me how to transact? Sorry brother, you have to use Binance or you can use KU coins. What is the reason for sudden fall in BTC? Maybe some tariff plans of Trump. And as you can see, this is all a profit booking, nothing, just a major fall. See this. Even with the major fall, price is still holding this trend line. It is still bullish. Until we have a daily time frame, 2 candle closing below this low, price is not bearish. This is for trend line traders. See this, how strongly this trend line is holding. कल क्रिप्टो में अब तक का सबसे बड़ा लिक्विडेशन आया and I almost blew my account. I feel like leaving crypto and just focusing on forex now. I have already left crypto. I don't trade on BTC and Ethereum. If you want to trade on this all the pairs, just go for spot trading. Buy from the deep and hold it until you have a new ATH, then just sell it. I just sold my all the bitcoins near about 105k. This full rally was missed by me. On the 105 I was exited and this full rally is missed by me. Now I'm just waiting for another buy opportunity. I feel like it will give it over here. Then I will buy again for this high if I get any good confirmation. Otherwise I will be watching for the drop. Then I will buy from this bottom around 50,000. DXY is looking slightly bullish. Current resistance is this one. If flips it, it can move upside. And test this area here. Any other questions? Okay, so you guys don't have any questions for me, then we will be closing the stream over here. Before closing, just we will be repeating our gold analysis. In gold, price is bullish and we have this 1 hour 5 wave completed over here. So we are watching for the buy opportunity. First zone is this one and second zone is this. The price of both the zones are first this 4006 to 3995 and second zone around 3982 3970. So these two zones are for buying in gold and the target will be this high around 4060. And these are the equal highs, so I'm expecting price to sweep it near about 4090 to 85, then it will be just like this. But for this we need a confirmation. Before that, I'm just targeting this high as my bullish targets. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you understand this weekly plan. See you in the next video. Until then, keep trading.